A kid walked up to an art class stand, and he said to the teacher, all excited and grand, "Hey, got any doodles?" The teacher smiled and shook her head. She handed him a pen and then she said, "No, but I've got some tangles." "Some what?" "Tangles." "Some who?" "Tangles." "Squiggles, loops, and lines, gazangle, twists and dots and swirls all tangled. Come on, let's draw some tangles." "Some what?" "Tangles." "Some who?" "Tangles." "Squiggles, loops, and lines, gazangle, twists and dots and swirls all tangled. Come on, let's draw some tangles." The kid looked down, gave a little frown. "I don't know how, I might mess up now." The teacher laughed, "That's the trick. No mistakes, just lines real quick." "Some what?" "Tangles." "Some who?" "Tangle." "Squiggles, loops, and lines, gazangle, twists and dots and swirls all tangled. Come on, let's draw some tangles." The kid got bold, through a wiggly track, made a swirl, then a zig, then a zigzag zag. "Oops, I sneezed, now there's a squiggle." The teacher said, "That's a tangle, wiggle." "Some what?" "Tangles." "Some who?" "Tangle." "Squiggles, loops, and lines, gazangle, twists and dots and swirls all tangled. Come on, let's draw some tangles." So if you're scared to try, don't cry, don't sigh, just grab a pen and give it a try. No erasers, no fear, no perfect lines, just wiggle that pen and let it shine. Wanna draw some tangles?